Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nolan Regan, and today we will be performing the roll calibration within your Pro 1200 display. Once we have allowed the display to boot, we're going to come up to the top right corner and click on the 7 boxes with the arrow pointing upwards. Next, under the Settings tab, head to GNSS and Guidance. Next, we'll head to the Calibrations tab, and here we have the roll calibration with the date it was last completed. We'll click on that tab there. For our purposes, we are only going to do an auto calibration. Next, we will follow the instructions displayed here on screen. We'll hit Start, and we are going to record where I am sitting currently as our end point. Next, we need to drive approximately 400 feet in a straight line, turn around, and then record the start point. Note, I have a large open area with flat ground for me to drive approximately 400 feet. I will now begin heading forwards. Okay, once we have traveled 400 feet, we are going to now turn the unit around. We're going to line back up straight as we reverse. I am now going to pull forward to record a suitable starting point. And I am now going to come to a stop. Once we have stopped, we can now hit record. Now, before we engage, we're going to need to back up. Okay, once we've backed up enough, we're going to select a gear to get us to 6 miles per hour. We're going to begin accelerating forwards to the start point and hit the auto guidance engage button on the multifunction handle. Okay, now we are going to turn around once again and complete the return pass. Again, we're going to try and align ourselves with our endpoint. And as we did before, again, selecting a gear to get us to 6 miles per hour, we're going to accelerate, slowly start moving, and hit the auto guidance engage button. Once we have completed our return pass, it will allow us to make another pass to better fine-tune our roll calibration. However, it is not required. We will now hit done and hit done again, and that will save our roll calibration. Roll calibration is one of the many calibrations that should be completed on a yearly basis to maximize the performance of your auto guidance system. You have now completed the roll calibration within your Pro 1200 display. If during calibration faults become apparent, or for more information over the Pro 1200 display, please feel free to reach out to your local Birkey's farm store to speak to your precision farming specialist.